In general, women aged between 35 to 55 are more afflicted with migraines than men. Studies show that 91% of migraine sufferers must miss the work and are unable to function normally during an attack. This is a lot of suffering, isn't it? Few of the essential oils are considered the must to get the fast relief from headaches. For example, marjoram essential oil. It helps to relieve the headache of migraine. Being an antispasmodic, it helps to relieve the tight, sore muscles that generally accompany a migraine headache. Ginger essential oil is another popular oil which helps to relieve the nausea associated with migraine. It has been proven to be extremely effective for relieving nausea and vomiting. Peppermint essential oil is also in the list of effective oils against headaches. It helps with pain relief and nausea associated with migraine headaches. Be sure to purchase only high-quality, medicinal-grade essential oils from suppliers who use organic growing procedures and proper distillation methods. Here is a simple homemade remedy for migraines. It is actually quite stunning how quickly it works, usually within 10 minutes. You would need 2 cups of ice cubes, 1 drop of peppermint oil, 2 drops of marjoram essential oil, 2 drops of ginger oil, 1 piece of washcloth, 1 bowl partially filled with cold water. Make a mixture of oil, water, and ice. Place the washcloth into the oily, icy mixture, then place the cloth on the patient's forehead, being careful to avoid the eyes. The cloth can also be applied to the sides of the neck, where the carotid arteries lie. When the cloth warms up, dip it into the icy, oily mixture again and keep reapplying until the headache abates. You would be surprised to know how this process works. The application of ice seems to work in 3 different ways. Firstly, ice helps to tighten the blood vessels of the neck and head. This process is called vasoconstriction. The decreased blood flow helps to ease the pain of a migraine. Secondly, ice inhibits a person's ability to feel pain, which is known as analgesia. It is thought that ice slows the message of pain along the nerves. Last but not the least, it is believed that ice can influence on the endocrine or hormonal system, and it can decrease the activity of enzymes and slows the metabolic activity. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Stay safe and sane. Science will win.